Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Amjad Tech. So in today's video I will talk about how you can make money online by writing in a new website named Writerhub. So we will have to go to Chrome. There I will search a website named Writers Hub. So as you know, writerhubs.org, when you write, the site will be open for you. This is an amazing website for making money online. Remember the thing, if you can write, you can earn money on this website. If you can write and create a unique article for a website or blogs, you can give them the services on this website named writershub.org. As much you can write, then you can earn money. So we will have to check out the website. There we go. How it works: you need just a laptop and Wi-Fi connection to start with it. Then you just have to put your email, sign up, and show your skills, start writing and earning. And now they are saying currently available. Types of project: article writing. So creative writing, history and ecology of date bomb, concept of international revolution. They are charging $35, and impact of social bonding and control, and they are charging $200 per article. So you have to unique on your ideas, on your topics. If your topic is like the bigger one, the unique one, you will be charging more to the client as per your topic. So you will have to need a vast knowledge about your topic you are providing from your client or customer, and they need for their website to grow. So if you the first thing, if you are already a successful website developer, you can hire many people from this website to write for you, and you can hire them for this. And if you want to work, you also can apply on this website. Simply you can join this website easily. So we will have to check out the options available for us. First is login and then sign up. So we will click on the login. Like if you already had an account on this website named Writers Hub, you just have to put your email and password and log into this website. But if you don't have an account on this website, you simply just have to sign up here. Click on the sign up button and then put your first name, then last name, put your valid email here and your country code along with the country and number. Then you have to put your Skype account as well, so people contacts you easily on a video call and they will gives you an order quickly if they trust you. Then put your password, confirm password. Attention, you have to read all that, because if you want to sign up on this website, you have to read the policies of this website. So they are saying please submit valid information. We will use this information to verify your account. The verification of your account is compulsory. You have to need that to verify your account. Then it will be ready for use and people will trust you a better one. And then saying, please do not buy any writer accounts from third party online, and our HR and QA teams consistently check your performance and account activity. Selling and buying of our accounts does not go to unnoticed. We urge you to register on our platform and try yourself instead of wasting your money and time. And they are saying skills. Please check the following areas in which you have the expertise, 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 and for which you intend to assume. Means they are saying you have to put one out of two, like writing and research. If you are good in writing and research, you have to click on that, and if you are good in technical calculation, you have to click on that. You have to choose one from them, then you can log into this account, and then you simply click on the I agree with the terms and conditions, and your account will be ready in a seconds to use, to make money, to make gigs, and to start your real online earning. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Many things you learn in my video because I tell everything about this website, and if you are a good content writer, you can make money online. If you don't have that skill, so you can learn that skill from the YouTube. There you can search how to write a unique article. There will be many videos are available for you. From them you can learn it, and then you can give the services of your on this website. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.